Hello, welcome to Help with Debt's YouTube channel. My name is Steve Thatcher. I can be contacted on 0808 160 5577. I'm going to talk to you about bankruptcy and what Help with Debt UK can do for you. In 2002, the Enterprise Act became legislation and amended previous insolvency law to allow the legal system to distinguish between irresponsible and reckless debtors and the merely unfortunate. It is now the case that many people have consumer debt which they simply can't handle. If that has been built up gradually, it is highly unlikely that any comment will be made. The official receiver, however, will not take such a view when it comes to bankruptcy debt built up through gambling. The Enterprise Act 2002 made it possible to emerge from bankruptcy after a maximum of a year, and in many cases earlier for those who have acted responsibly and lawfully. The above being said, though, bankruptcy is still a serious and complicated process. If you have debt problems and creditor pressure is a constant part of your daily life, you may need expert advice on the options available to you. The forms that you need to complete for bankruptcy are 35 pages long and can seem complicated, and the prospect of appearing before a district judge may seem daunting. However, here at Help with Debt we will prepare all your paperwork, including your statement of affairs and your petition. We will book your court, and we will attend at court with you to make sure the paperwork is filed properly and then attend before the judge with you as well. In addition to that, we will be available for the full duration of your bankruptcy on the end of the telephone. Prior to deciding to make yourself bankrupt, you must be aware that you will be subject to certain restrictions whilst bankrupt, such as being unable to get credit for more than £500 unless you inform the lender. In addition, your bank account may be closed. It is best to expect this to happen. We will, however, be able to show you how to open a new bank account. As a bankrupt, you are not allowed to be a director of a limited company for the duration of the time you are bankrupt. Additionally, once bankrupt, your assets will vest in the trustee. For most people, this means their house. If possible, and with your request, the official receiver will transfer that property back to you. This is easily done, especially if there is no equity in it. The official receiver will call you after you have been made bankrupt and may be asked to meet you. He will go through your statement of affairs and ascertain whether or not you have disposable income. If you do, he may ask you to sign an income payments agreement, whereby you can make affordable payments to him for 36 months. As you can see, the bankruptcy process can seem daunting and complicated. We are on hand to offer expert advice, so please let me remind you that we will complete your forms on your behalf, book your court appointment, attend with you at court, and provide telephone support for a year. All this for as little as £250. If you'd like my help, please call 0808 160 5577. Thank you for listening.